Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you to get wireless CarPlay using CarBridge app. This is super cool, guys. As you can see right here, it's completely free, and I'm going to show you guys in this video exactly to download it. So as you can see right here, we've got all the Bridged applications, and this is super cool, guys. You can see you can do YouTube, Instagram, Netflix, all the top stuff, and it's fully working. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to get it, so let's get right into the tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys what you need to do. So I'm going to go ahead and delete it just so I can show you guys how to get it from the beginning. So let me go ahead and do that. And before you download on your device, guys, you want to go ahead and open up settings. There's a few options you have to go ahead and change. Let me open the Apple Store I'm talking about. So once you're in settings, first thing you want to do is go ahead and go down to the Safari section. So let me just scroll down here to Safari. Once you're in the Safari section, you want to go ahead and find this option. So the option we're looking for is called block all cookies. You want to make sure this is off. You'll know it's on because it'll be green like the other settings. So make sure block all cookies is turned off. And once you've done that, you're good to go. So all you have to do now, guys, is go ahead and go to the general section. So let me just scroll up here at general. I'm just going to go ahead and go up. So let me just do that. And once you're in the general section, guys, what you have to do is go ahead and find this option. So the option we're looking for is called background app refresh, and you want to make sure this is on. It's really important because it allows apps to refresh content. So make sure background app refresh is turned on. There's a few different ways you can do this. You can have it on Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi mobile data, so just make sure it's on. And once you've done that, all you have to do is go ahead and go down to the App Store section. So let me just scroll down here to App Store. I'm just going to go ahead and go down. And once you're in the App Store section, guys, what you have to do is go ahead and find this option. So the option we're looking for is called automatic downloads, and you want to make sure this is on. It's really important, guys, that you have this enabled, and once you've done that, you're good to go. So all you have to do now is go ahead and go down to the battery section. So let me just scroll down here to battery. Once you're in the battery section, you want to find this option called low power mode. Make sure it's off. You know it's on because your battery percentage will be yellow. So make sure low power mode's off. Once you've done that, you're all set. So all you have to do now is go ahead and go to this amazing site that I'm about to show you. So let me go to my browser and I'm going to show you guys where you need to go. So the website you want to go to, guys, is super cool. It's called xenohelper.com. It has a ton of mods for apps and games. So once you're on the website, you want to go to the search bar and you just want to go ahead and type in CarBridge. So let me just do that right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and type it in. And you can see it comes right up, guys, so you want to go ahead and press install. And after you do that, you just want to wait until the progress bar reaches the end, and you should get a prompt to install configuration profile onto your device. And as long as you have a decent internet connection, this download shouldn't take that long, guys. It's going to show you a circle when it reaches the end. So let's just give it a minute for it to go ahead and finish loading here. As you can see, it's almost done. I'm just going to let it load. I mean, this is just super crazy, guys. I can't believe it actually works. So let's just give it a minute here. As you can see, it's almost done. All right, here we go. Almost finished. Alright, okay, so the progress bar is pretty much to the end now, guys, so we should get the circle going around and around. So let's give it a minute for that to start happening. Any second now, guys, it should start up. So let's see, and there it goes, and then we should get the prompt to install profile onto our device. Let's give it a minute for that to come up. And as you can see here, it says, do you want to allow this? So just go ahead and press allow. And after you do that, guys, all you have to do is go ahead and press where it says close. And after you do that, all you have to do is go ahead and reopen settings to install the profile to your device. So I'm going to go ahead and open up settings. And once you're there, guys, what you want to do is go ahead and go down to the general section. So let me just go down here to general. And once you're in the general section, guys, you just want to go ahead and find the profile. So that will be in the profile section. So press on profiles, and then all you have to do is find the downloaded profile. It'll be at the top. Go ahead, press on that, and then all you have to do is go ahead and press install. After you do that, you just want to go ahead and enter your iPhone password. So let me just do that right here. And after you enter the password, guys, you just want to go ahead and press install. And then final prompt in red, go to your home screen. Now you've got it on your device. So it's literally that easy, guys. Look, I can't believe it actually works, but it does. So that's literally exactly, you get it, guys. It's that simple. So remember, to get on your device, just go to the website xenohelper.com, and once you're there, go to the search bar and just go ahead and type in CarBridge. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that right here because this website has so many modded apps and games, guys. It's crazy. So yeah, so much content. So I'm going to go ahead and go up to the search bar and type in CarBridge. So let me just do that right here. It'll come right up, and then you just want to go ahead and press install, and then just wait until the progress bar reaches the end, and you will get a prompt to install the configuration profile onto your device. So after you do that, guys, just wait it out, and it will happen, guys. It's super crazy, so let's give it a minute here. And once it's done loading, it will say, do you want to allow this? And you just go ahead and press allow. And after you do that, you just have to go ahead and press where it says close, and then go ahead and reopen settings to install the profile to your device. So I'm going to go ahead and open up settings, and once you're there, guys, you just want to go ahead and scroll down until you see where it says general. And once you're in general, guys, you just want to go ahead and find the profile section. So let me just scroll down here to profiles, press on that, and then just go ahead and press the CarBridge profile. and then all you have to do is go ahead and press install. And after you do that, you just want to go ahead and enter your password. So let me just do that right here. I'm just going to go ahead and type it in. Once you do that, go ahead and press install, and then final prompt in red, go to your home screen, and you've got it on your device. So if you guys enjoyed the video, definitely go ahead and share it with your friends, get the word out with this crazy method. I'm blown away it actually works, guys, but it does. Super cool. It's a crazy trick. I mean, this is just insane. Never thought it would actually work, but it does. So yeah, this is super crazy, guys. So yeah, I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out.